Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I apologize for that. Life kind of got in the way. I got a job at Sephora, so your girl has been doing that. Also got a second job somewhere else, so I'm super stoked about that. Things are getting busy over here, so I do apologize for that. But today's video is going to be another Boxycharm. This is July's box. And also, if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree Marie. Thank you for stopping by. I love to do Boxycharm videos as well as makeup reviews and makeup tutorials. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel, show her some love. And if you guys are interested in learning what items I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, I am here with another Boxycharm video. This is for July's box, and the theme is FantaSEA, which is super cute. And the first item in the box is from FantaSEA, and I actually love this cleanser. I've been using it. It is an oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. It's supposed to help draw out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. It's also pH balance and helps clean out your pores. And honestly, I really do love this. I've been using it. Well, I use FantaSEA products in general because I think they're so good, but this is awesome. It's like a green cleanser, but then it foams up and it smells good too. And this baby retails for $28, which is pretty affordable. I think so anyways. The next item in the box is from Beauty Bakery, and it's in this super cute packaging. It's like basically like flour, which I love. The little container, that's what it looks like anyways. I heard this is a really good setting powder, by the way. I just haven't used it yet. But anyways, it's by Beauty Bakery. It's finely milled, translucent powder, and allows you to set your concealer, foundation, and it helps it stay in place as well all day long. And it's colorless and it helps with oily skin, which is right up my alley because you know your girl is oily in the T-zone area. And it will help blur your pores and soften your complexion, also leaving a beautiful matte finish. Oh my gosh, I'm so about all of those things. I love blurring and softening and having a matte finish. And this is for $24. Let me see. Let me just open it really quick so you guys can actually see what it looks like. But I've heard raving reviews about this. Oh, it's so cute. It says flower on it, and then you just open it, and then it looks like this. So definitely gonna have to test this out for you guys and get back to you. The next item in the box is from Generation Skin. This is their hydrating marine algae patches, and it looks like this. I've actually been using these and I really like them. The only thing I don't like about them is that they do have a lot of like liquid, and sometimes they can like slide down your eyes. So that's the only thing that I don't like about it, but it's cool because it comes like so with a little spatula, and then they're blue, which is kind of cute, kind of cool. But like I said, you can see like all the liquid in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a ton of liquid in there, and I'm just like, okay, that's a little too much. But it gets the job done. I can't close this. Okay, let's talk about it. So marine algae is straight from the sea, skincare with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. It helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. And damn, this is $49.99, which I didn't know, which is kind of pricey to me, but how many does it come with actually? How many are in here? Okay, so it comes with 30 pairs of patches, but like I said, that is kind of pricey. Damn, that's like 50 bucks for this. But I do enjoy it. So if you guys are looking for new eye patches, then I recommend it. Like I said, it's just a little bit more on the liquidy side. All right, moving on to the next item in the box. This is from Alley-Oop. Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. This is for when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole bag. It's pretty much very convenient with 4 essential products, easy to use, and it's in a click pen. And you just choose a color, apply for a fresh and natural look wherever you are. This is for $25. Like I said, this kind of reminds me of being back in school, like when they had those pens that you just chose a different color and then you can use it. I will say that this is kind of rough. It kind of hurts. But I'll do swatches for each color for you guys, just so you can see. Oh, it's hurting my hand. Ooh, these are kind of dry, to be honest. Oh. Okay, there's blue one. Or was that black? Okay, that was blue. What the heck? Oh my goodness, these are hella rough. This one isn't even showing up. This is the black one. What the heck? Oh no, this is not going well. I think that's all the colors. But anyways, this is what it looks like right here. Like I said, the black one didn't even swatch. So I don't think I'm gonna recommend this pen to you guys. Maybe if it was a little bit less dry. I do like the idea. I think it's super cute. They just need to work on the formula, I think. But yeah. Moving on to the next product in the box, which is the last item in the box, which I've also been testing out as well, and I absolutely love it. This is from Basic Beauty. It is a summer lip oil, and it's pretty much to pamper your lips. This is hydrating lip oil, nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil, adds shine, and also reduces the appearance of lip lines, which I've never heard of, which is kind of cool. Because if you're a lady, or I guess a guy who's into makeup, you know what I'm talking about. Like if your lips are dry and you're trying to apply a pencil or something, or even a lipstick, you can see like the lines sometimes. So this is for $18, and this is what she looks like. I have a little pink one, and I do love it. I put it on right before I go to bed. And it smells bomb and smells like coconuts. So I love this too. And that is it for this month's box. Let me go ahead and calculate to see how much this box is worth. All right, the first item, 28 plus 24, $49.99, 25, 18. So a total of $144.99. That's a lot for a box, and your girl only paid $25, which I think is pretty good. I would say my favorite items in the box are definitely the eye patches. I mean, I love eye patches anyways, so that's definitely one of my faves. I don't know about you guys, but I have a little spa moment. And definitely the FantaSEA cleanser. This is awesome. It smells nice. It's a nice lather, and it makes your skin feel very clean. And definitely the lip oil, because you know during the summer your lips can get dry, and it definitely provides good hydration for your lips. And I haven't tried the Beauty Bakery yet. I will get back to you guys on that, but I have a feeling that I'm gonna love that too. And the least favorite item in the box is this, just because the formula is very dry and rough to apply. Just my hand. I can't imagine putting it on my actual eye, how much that would hurt. Alright guys, and that is it from me. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give your girl a huge thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any looks that you'd like to see me recreate, any suggestions, any ideas, please let me know down in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey, my faves are... Does my hair look greasy? Ew. Make sure I look cute. Make sure the girls look good. I don't have anything in my teeth, right? I look okay, right? Oh, it's kind of rough though. These are super rough. Damn. Is it tutorial? No, it's not tutorial. Right? Whoa, whoa.